Hello, my scrappy friends. Welcome back. I have today this gorgeous kit to share with you. It is the February limited edition kit by my creative scrapbook. And let me start with the paper. You know how much I love paper. And I think it's my first inspiration when I am creating. I just love papers. And let's get started here. This month the kit is featuring the vintage Artistry Naturalist collection. Look this gorgeous paper. Love the colors with the butterflies. And on the back is beautiful too. Check all the tiny butterflies. Very pretty. Then let me put this aside here. Okay. This is the other paper, so pretty too. It has like layers between the stamp and the other, and this is the back with the diagonal yellow stripes. Check this one. Oh, look the back. Love this salmon color, so pretty. Then look, this is gorgeous. Look the butterfly here and here. Oh, look, it has like a lace on the background. So pretty. And this has like a bunch of birds on the back. Look, this other with the butterfly is following the same line. On the back is green color. And look, this one with a lot of flower bouquet. It is from Photoplay. Is this paper. And the back it has these leaves, so pretty too. Then it has this paper. I love, it's like a dictionary paper. Love this. And this one is from the vintage Artistry Essential, and it's gray on the background. I love both sides, the gray and the page. But let's move to the laser cut sheets. But first let me show you this that comes in the kit. Look this. I love this. I think it's 3x3 on the back has this design, but I think it is perfect for mini albums, also for cards or planners. Look, this one is like tabs of love this. Many possibilities you have with all these two sheets. Then you have the laser cuts. Oh, look, I have another paper. Oh, it's pretty. Look, you have to cut. We can cut tags, different pieces for planner layout, and the back. Love the gray color too. Okay, let's move to the laser cuts sheets. I always love these. I think it's better not to separate this, but you have butterflies, birds. Look, the words, bow, and on the back. Oh, check it. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look, this window. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, door, I don't know. And then you have a different element like the leaves, butterflies, and look, the life is for living. Oh, very true. Love it. I'm already, my mind is running now with many ideas to work with this. Let me show you the rest that I received. And let's move with this. The stencil, look how pretty. It's perfect with the design of the paper. This is by Vicky Butin, I think. So, Vicky Butin. And then let's see what I received. Oh, look, this bunch of, this is 93 pieces mix and match die cut pieces. You can see here the photo, but I'm going to open it. I will try to show you this as fast as I can because I don't want to make this video too long, but you can take I will move fast here, but you can take a look at all of the pieces. I always love to share with you guys all the things that comes in the kit so you have a better idea. And you can see all the possibilities that we can do with this gorgeous kit. I just love all these pieces. I think that it is perfect for a mini album, so I am thinking about that at this moment because look all the Discover Naturalist, all the white, the circles. Oh my gosh, a lot of things, beautiful things, and I just love the colors. I think it's like spring. And with the weather, the recently weather here in North Carolina is too cold, so I think that I want to jump and work with all this paper and all these die cuts, because it's remind me, or it screams spring and I need that. Look, this one is like a sticket. Oh my gosh, a lot of things that we can do with this package of mix and match die cut pieces. Okay, you can see here it's almost done, and the big this one. Okay, I'm going to pick up this off camera. Okay, let's move. Look, this beautiful stamp from Boboni that comes in the kit. So pretty. And last but not least, the flowers. You receive 3 packages of flower from 49 and Margaret. Look, the colors are so pretty. And look, these tiny white flowers. Well, my friend, this is the February limited edition kit. The link is down below in the description box, and I will come back soon with my first tutorial. Here I let you 2 videos that maybe you are interested, and I hope they inspire you. See you soon, my friend. Nos vemos. Bye bye.